Good evening, one and all. Today is the starting of Radha Yatra for this year at Jagannath Temple in Puri. On that occasion, wanted to read out the Jagannathashtakam. This is 8 slokas. Each sloka ends with Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. So to interpret this piece itself, Jagannatha Swami, we are addressing Jagannatha, Lord of Jagat, whatever comes and goes, Jayate Gachate iti Jagat, the Natha, the Lord of this Jagat. Swami, he is the Lord, he is the husband of this Jagat, Jagannatha Swami. Nayanapatha Gami Bhavatu Me. Nayanapatha is the directing path. Eyes direct an individual towards a goal. So Nayanapatha Gami, the Gami, the end goal of that Nayanapatha. So Kadachit Kalindi Tatavita Pi Sangita Kavaro Kadachit Kalindi Tatavita Pi Sangita Kavaro Muda Gopi Nari Vadana Kamala Swadana Madhupaha Rama Simbhur Brahma Amarapati Ganesha Chitapado Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Bhuje Savye Venum Sirasi Sikhi Pincham Katitate Dukulam Netrante Sahachara Kataksham Vidathate Sada Srimad Brundavana Sati Leela Parichayo Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Mahambodhe stire kanakaruchire neelasikhare vasan prasadam tat sahajabalabhadrena balinam subhadramadhyasthaha sakala surasevavasarado Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Krupa Paravara Sajala Jalada Sreni Ruchiro Ramavani Somas Puradamala Padodbhava Mukhaihi Surendrairaradhyaha Srutiganasikha Gita Charito Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Radharudho Gachan Pathimilita Bhudeva Patalaihi Stutir Pradurбhavam Pratipadamupakarna Sadayaha Daya Sindhur Bandhu Sakala Jagatam Sindhu Sutaya Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Parabrahma Pidaha Kuvalayadalot Pullanayanom Nivasi Niladrau Nihita Charanonanta Sirasi Rasanando Radha Sarasavapura Lingana Sukho Jagannatha Swami Nayanapathagami Bhavatu Me. Navai Prarthyam Rajyam न च कनकतां भोगविभवं न याचेऽहं रम्यां निखिलजनकाम्यां वरवधूं सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिना गीतचरितो जगन्नाथस्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे हरत्वं संसारं द्रुततरमसारं सुरपते हरत्वं पापानां विततमपरां यादवपते अहो दीनानाथं निहितमचलं निश्चितपदं जगन्नाथस्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे इति श्री जगन्नाथाष्टकम्. So Shankara's poetry, Shankara's ashtakas, if we take anything, it just won't realize the Lord and just say that you are great or you are this, you are that. It actually takes why God is great. It gives several indicators into Advaita Vedanta. And finally, what is being Navai Pradhyam Rajyam? I am not seeking any territory, any kingdoms. Nacha Kanakatam, not gold. Bhoga Vibhavam, not looking for any bhogas or vibhavas. Any pleasures, enjoyments, bhogas or vibhavas, vaibhava or anything that great which should come to me. Nayacheham ramyam nikhila janakamyam varabadhum. Not even seeking any of the worldly benefits, great things or anything. Sada kale kale pramadhapatina gita rachito jagannatha swami nayana pathakami bhavatu me. And also, so what we are asking for? Haratvam samsaram. Remove this delusion in the world. Haratvam samsaram drutataram asaram. It is swiftly changing and not essentially giving anything out of it. Drutataram asaram surapate haratvam papanam vitatam aparam yadavapate. Haratvam papanam vitatam. Papa vitati. There is a huge group of papas which have been there. Haratvam, remove those things. Vitatam aparam yadavapate. Aho deenanatham. Oh, great Dinanatha. Why he has to do it? He is the Natha, Jagannatha. He is the Natha of Dinas, who are helpless people. Whoever has no other help, going helpless. Vitatamachalam Nischitapadam. Guaranteed, ever existing Nischitapadam, Vitatam Achalam. Vihitam, Nihitam Achalam. So, on established firmly on the mountain, Niladri, and Nischitapadam, guaranteed to of the Dinanatham, all these qualities given. So we are asking for what the Supreme Lord only can do, nobody else can do. So in the Jagannathashtakam, on this Jagannath Rathayatra, which goes on for a 8-day festival, after 8 days, today is Dvitiya of Ashada Suddha Dvitiya, then 8 days on the Dasami he will come back, and on the 11th day is the Sayana Ekadasi. Lord goes into the sleep, Dakshinayana is going to start, and the Chaturmasya will start. In such a auspicious period, this is also the period of Gupta Navaratris, the secret Navaratris which happen, called Varahi Navaratri. The auspicious period, let us all gain the spiritual wisdom through Shankara Bhagavatpada's poetry and ashtakas. With that, Swasti.